Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok SDN Pilang 1 ingin mepresentasikan mengenai artikel PLP kami yang berjudul Challenge and Opportunities for Implementing the Independent Curriculum in Elementary Schools. Kelompok kami mempunyai 4 anggota, yaitu yang pertama Elsa Dia Aisyah, Novi Indrianti, Fitra Mujahidah, Lailatul Masrifah. Baik, yang pertama di sini ada abstrak. This research aims to find out and examine challenges and opportunities for implementing the independent curriculum in elementary schools. The results of the implementation of the curriculum that has been implemented in elementary schools. This research was conducted using a phenomenological approach. Data collection was carried out using several techniques, namely A. Observation, B. Interview, and C. Documentation study. To ensure the validity of the data, several efforts were made as follows: E. Extending the data collection period, B. Carrying out observation continuously and seriously, and C. Involving colleagues for discussion. Fostering collaboration with teachers who support their leaders in participating in creating a thriving school in its implementation program, which provides opportunities and challenges in implementing the independent curriculum. Yang pertama ada introduction. Education plays an important role in producing quality and competitive human research, which is the main factor in the progress of a nation. Education is an important sector in a country development because education is one way to increase quality human research. In improving the quality of education, one effort is to change the education curriculum. Education in Indonesia always experience curriculum change from time to time. The Indonesian government launched an independent curriculum policy as an effort update to the education curriculum in Indonesia. The Merdeka Curriculum aims to develop critical, creative, collaborative, and communicative thinking skills in students and direct students to more effective and efficient learning. Behind the spirit of independent curriculum innovation and educational goals, there are challenges and opportunities in implementing the independent curriculum in elementary schools. This research will provide useful insight into the challenges faced by elementary school in implementing the independent curriculum. Apart from that, research will also discuss various opportunities that can be optimized to achieve successful implementation of this curriculum. In this way, it's hoped the elementary school can implement the independent curriculum effectively and produce superior generation in the future. Behind the spirit of independent curriculum innovation and educational goals, there are challenges and opportunity in implementing the independent curriculum in elementary school. This research will provide useful insight into the challenges faced by elementary school in implementing the independent curriculum. Apart from that, research will also discuss various opportunities that can be optimized to achieve successful implementation of this curriculum. In this way, it is hoped that elementary schools can implement the independent curriculum effectively and produce superior generation in the future. Yang kedua ada metode. This research method is qualitative, that is, it relies on human observation, both in the area and in terms of terminology, aims to understand what phenomena are experienced by research subjects holistically, by means of description in the form of words and language, in a special natural context, and utilizing various natural methods. Research tries to examine information and knowledge from various literature and reference. Also see and hear more closely and in detail in the individual explanation and understanding of their existing experience. All data search were obtained from various search and scientific article, interview, observation, supportive discussion, and other readings that were able to provide information to strengthen existing data.
Baik, selanjutnya ada result and discussion. In terms of result and understanding, researcher regarding result on challenge and opportunities for implementing the independent curriculum in elementary school will present the contents of the discussion with contents for sub-discussion starting from the implementation of the independent curriculum to solution to challenge in the implementation, which is as follows. A. Implementation of the independent curriculum policy in elementary school. B. The role of teacher in implementing the independent curriculum. C. Problem in implementing the independent curriculum. D. Handling solution for curriculum difficulties. A. Implementation of the independent curriculum policy in elementary school. The independent curriculum is one of the education policy launched by the Indonesian government in 2000. The aim of the independent curriculum is to provide freedom for schools to develop a curriculum that suits the needs and conditions of each school. The independent curriculum is a new curriculum which is expected to be able to create increasingly quality and dynamic education, especially for the millennial generation. In its implementation, the focus is on critical thinking skill and character independence. As a new curriculum, the independent curriculum has received a lot of response from society. The political pros and cons have been understood as of the dynamic of the education environment. The ideal curriculum implementation consists of steps that must be pursued. Starting from planning, planning must have clear standards. There is a process of preparing various decisions that will later be implemented so that the goals that have been set can run smoothly. So it can develop the ability to think critically, problem solving, and act realistically. Therefore, teachers need to support students in carrying out the learning process with aim to develop thinking ability optimally. B. The role of teacher in implementing the independent curriculum. There are four unique names given to teacher. One, the most famous, is unsung heroes. This nickname indicate how big the role and service performed by teacher are, so that teacher are called heroes. A teacher or educator is a person who must have a lot of knowledge, be willing to seriously apply this knowledge in the learning process in a broad sense, be tolerant, and always try to make his student have a better life. In an educational institution, teachers are the spirit of education success who are directly involved in developing, monitoring, and implementing the curriculum so that learning can run smoothly and achieve the expected goals. The problem faced by teachers in fulfilling the which is that there are teachers who still do not understand how to use learning media. This can also be caused by that cause incurred for making learning media and complicated materials so that making them is difficult. With the new curriculum policy that eliminate education institution and encourage students to innovate and develop creative thinking, this curriculum offers very broad space for teachers to develop quality learning to produce and educate generation that is able to compete globally. The be improving the quality of education in Indonesia. C. Problem in implementing the independent curriculum. Curriculum development is an important effort to improve the quality of education at the elementary school SD level. A good and reliable curriculum will help create a generation that is competent and ready to face future challenges. However, in implementing curriculum development in elementary school, there are several problems that need to be considered so that this process run well and produce optimal result. Inconsistency in curriculum implementation is one of the problems faced in implementing curriculum development in elementary school. Factors such as inadequate understanding of the new curriculum, limited resources, and change in education policy are often the causes of this inconsistency. This causes an imbalance in the implementation of the curriculum in various elementary schools. It is important to look for solutions that can improve the consistency of curriculum implementation and ensure conformance with development goals. The Merdeka curriculum brings a new spirit to the world of Indonesia.
Kemudian selanjutnya ada handling solution for curriculum difficulties. In the 2013 curriculum is the improvement and balance of soft skills and hard skills, which include aspects of attitudes, skills, and knowledge competition. Apart from that, Learning is more thematically integrative in all subjects. One of the important changes in the world of Indonesian education is curriculum development, which aims to improve the quality of education at all levels. In 2013, the Indonesian government introduced the 2013 curriculum as an effort to improve the existing education system. One of the main criticism is its complexity improve the existing education system. One of the main critics is its complexity, which affect teachers' ability to teach and measure student progress effectively. Therefore, the government then respond by developing the Merdeka curriculum, an educational initiative that aims to improve the quality of learning and create students who are more independent and critical. This changes the learning paradigm and challenges teachers to adopt new approaches that are more inclusive and interactive. Constructivism is less efficient and students do not get proper learning autonomy. The 2013 curriculum is designed with the following characteristics. 1. Developing a balance between developing spiritual and social attitudes, curiosity, creativity, cooperation with intellectual and psychomotor abilities. 2. Develop attitudes, knowledge and skills and apply them in various situations at school and society. Selanjutnya ada closing statement. The Merdeka Curriculum brings a new spirit to the world of Indonesian education, opening up opportunities for elementary schools to produce a young generation capable of facing the challenge of the times. Implementing the independent curriculum in elementary school requires commitment and hard work from all stakeholders, including the government, teacher, parents, and the community. The challenge faced in implementing the independent curriculum in elementary school cannot be denied. However, with the various opportunities available, such as government support, collaboration between teachers and driving teachers, and the use of technology and local culture, it is hoped that this challenge can be overcome and the independent curriculum can be implemented optimally. In conclusion, the independent curriculum is a step forward in effort to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. Implementation of the independent curriculum in elementary schools must be carried out carefully and planned, taking into account the various challenges and opportunities that exist. With cooperation and synergy from all parties, it is hoped that the independent curriculum can achieve its goal of producing a young generation who is intelligent, creative, and has character. Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Mohon maaf apabila ada salah kata atau kurang lebihnya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.